Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to get to Google Earth and get the page set up and customized so that you're ready to do the exploration of the latitude and longitude lines for the social studies activity. So the first thing you need to make sure you do is have your browser open, and it probably is already. So you're going to need to get to your browser bar and type in earth.google.com. So I'm going to do that right now. And it's already populated, so I'm just going to click enter. But I'll keep it here for just a minute so you see what it is you need to type in. earth.google.com. Okay. I'm going to click enter so we can get to the page. All right, once you've gotten to the page, you're going to need to click where it says Launch Earth. So I moved my video for just a minute so I can click on the button, but I'm going to move it back to where it was before. All right. So after you click the blue button, Launch Earth, just wait for it to load. It'll take a few seconds. All right, it looks like we're in. So when you get into Google Earth, you're probably going to see a map of where you live. This is a map of where I live. I was looking to see if the blue circle was anywhere around here because that shows you exactly where you're located. Let me see if I'm pressing on this icon right here. If you hover over it, it says fly to your location. So I'm actually located right here, right now. But this isn't going to help you for the activity that you're going to do today. So we need to get the map set up so that you can use it for today's exploration. So what you're going to need to do is click on where I'm circling. Click this image of the globe and watch what happens. Okay, so Google Earth is going to zoom out so that you have a full view of our entire planet. Now, we're ready to move on to customizing what we see when we look at the planet from afar. So you're going to look for the icon. I'm going to hover over it. It says map style. So you're going to click where it says map style. After you click map style, the first thing you're going to do is click where it says everything. You want to make sure that there are labels, there are names on the globe for when you're looking for the major lines of longitude and latitude. Okay, so that's one thing that you have to make sure you do. The other step is to make sure that the grid lines are turned on. So you're going to need to turn the toggle from left to right. Make sure that it's colored in blue. Once it's colored in blue, you will notice that the degrees show up on the globe and that the grid lines show up as well, the imaginary lines of longitude and latitude that you will be using for today's exploration. So now your map is actually set up, your globe is set up for you to do the exploration activity. What you can do before you get started with that is minimize the map style. So click on the icon for a second time. I'm going to do that. And then you're ready to do some exploring. So I want to show you before I close out how to zoom in and out, because what you're going to need to do is find the names of the major lines of longitude and latitude, as well as the names of countries. So in order to zoom in and out, I'm going to take 2 fingers and put them on my mouse pad, and I'm going to spread them like this so I can get closer to the globe and see more of the labels on the globe, okay? So again, I'm taking 2 fingers and I'm going to go like this on my mouse pad. All right, so notice what's happening. It's getting me closer, and if you see, there are labels now on the globe. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see more of the labels. So again, I'm going to take my 2 fingers, my index and middle, and I'm going to zoom in some more so we can see what else pops up on the globe. All right, I'm going to turn the globe just a little bit. So to turn the globe, I'm taking 1 finger on my right hand, 1 finger on my left hand, and what I'm doing is moving this finger and pressing down on the mouse pad with this finger so that I can turn the globe. And as you're watching me turn it, you'll notice there are names of countries now because we've zoomed in close enough to see those labels, okay? So all of the information that you need to search for is now available to you on this globe. Go ahead and start exploring. You can answer those questions and then feel free to do whatever else you'd like to do after you've completed that activity. Happy hunting, and I'll talk to you later.